Alam mo ba na may simpleng rule na nagdi-distinguish sa mayaman at laging broke? Ang money rule, build assets, not liabilities. Scientifically speaking, assets are like nutrients. Sila yung nagbibigay energy sa finances mo, like rental income, stocks, o businesses na kumikita. Pero liabilities, parang toxins, gaya ng utang sa luho, car loans, gadgets na mabilis bumaba ang value, yan ang mga sumisipsip ng energy. Parang sa physics, assets push you forward, liabilities drag you down. Kaya kung gusto mong lumakas ang financial system mo, tandaan ang rule. Build assets, not liabilities.